Once, there was a man named Big John who had a parrot. Big John worked for the Cocoa Coal Company. He was foreman of mine number 7. Every day except Sunday, the miners would go down into the mine and load up the cars with coal. Big John, since he was the strongest, would haul the cars out when they were full. When the 5 o'clock whistle blew, the miners would drop their shovels and go home. So the last cars on each track were usually not full. Before he could go home, Big John had to see how much coal there was and write it down in the record book.
1 and 1 and 1 is 3. And 1/3 makes 3 and 1/3. That's track number 1. 1 and 1 is 2. And 3/4 makes 2 and 3/4. That's track 2.
What?
Then, one day, Big John got a letter saying the mine had been sold to a big city company and that an efficiency expert would be out to see him.
What?
You must be Big John. I'm your new boss, Gigantic International. There's a change we'd like to make. Here's your new record book.
Let's see how we did today. 1 and 1 is 2. 1/3 makes 2 and 1/3. Track 2 has 1 and 1 and 1 is 3. And 1/4 makes 3 and 1/4.
Big John started to worry.
Let's see. That's it, I'll bet.
He didn't know how to add with mixed numerals.
This isn't good enough. We want an exact total. You'd better do this over if you want to keep your job.
This looks bad. How can I add 2 and 1/3 and 3 and 1/4?
What? What? What?
I see. I can add up the whole numbers and the fractions separately. So, 2 plus 3 is 5. And 1/3 plus 1/4 is the same as 4/12 plus 3/12, which is 7/12. Then I put them together again. Three and 2 equal 5. And 1/3 plus 2/3 equal 3/3. And when I put them together, I get 5 and 3/3. In a mixed numeral, the fraction part is less than 1. 3/3 equals 1. So 5 and 3/3 is like 5 and 1, which is 6. Now for the last one. 2 equals 4. 2/3 plus 3/4 is the same thing as 8/12 plus 9/12, which is 17/12. Now what do I do? 17/12 is bigger than 1.
Quack.
17/12 is the same as 12/12 and 5/12. And 12/12 equals 1, so 17/12 is the same as 1 and 5/12. Then 4 17/12 is like 4 1 plus 5/12, which is like 4 and 1 and 5/12, which is 5 and 5/12, which equals 5 and 5/12.
Let's see. 2 1/3, 3 1/4. It's 5 7/12. 3 1/3, 2 2/3. That's 6. 2 2/3 and 2 3/4. That's 5 5/12. Big John, this is great. How did you ever do it?
A little help from my friend.
Quack.